Hello, everybody. Today we are unboxing, and I have some shopping footage as well. And this is for a peach kind of Regency inspired evening outfit. I have various accessories and items I own already that I'm planning to wear with this because we are taking a cruise. We are going to Europe. We're going to be cruising out of Barcelona, 11 days. So there are 2 formal nights, and I'm not wearing modern clothes on a formal night. I get to dress up. I'm not bringing really elaborate or heavy things with me because we have to fly. Limited amount of luggage, obviously. Don't want a lot of weight. I want pieces that I can work for various looks. But I did get myself a little something new. I got a peach gown and some accessories to play around with it a little bit. And they are right here in this bag. This is the first anyone, including me, has seen of this. I have my scissors here. And we are very carefully opening this. There we go. And let's see what the first item is. It is a set of jewels. Ah, pretty. Little smushed. I think it's just a card. Snip, snip, snip. There we go. Much better. You can see. Okay. Next piece. I bought a belt. I actually bought 2 belts. Not sure which one I'm going to wear. And I figure even if they don't work for this, I will use them with something else. This was technically sold as a bridal belt, but I figure it will look nice with a lot of lighter outfits. I mean, doesn't really go with my house dress, but here we go. This is gorgeous. I love it. I think it was like $6. I'll have the actual stuff up as I shopped for it as well. So now we have the dress. Now, this was technically sold as a nightgown. I'm clearly not the only person, judging from the reviews, who thought it would make a nice dress. Probably want to slip under it. And oh, yes, very nice dress indeed. Oh my gosh. I could put buttons here. I don't think I'm going to. Look at that lace. Look at that lace. Got just a little bit of light embroidery. Elastic for comfort. I think that will do very nicely indeed, particularly after it's pressed. This is a little more fake hair. No, don't have any fake hair in at the moment because I'm at home. And by the way, this is kind of thing I wear at home a lot. I mean, I do own sweatpants and I don't sleep in this, but yeah. Early 20th century house dress, more or less. Like, got a little shift slip under it, long drawers, don't have a belt, don't have a corset, modern bra. Not really modern, very light, very comfortable. Honestly, compared to jeans, I'll take this any day of the week. I think it's more comfortable than leggings. It's more comfortable than my sweatpants. Cruising right along, I have a little bit of a hairband, and not the heavy metal kind, to go with my peach gown. And just a little brighter Nice coordinating idea. Oh, and just to show, these flowers are actually quite nice with the peach. I was a little worried about it. And as an alternate belt, I'm going to try it with this. I may honestly end up wearing this with other outfits. I'll play around. Yeah, I'm probably not going to wear the same dress for both formal nights. Probably am going to bring a different dress. But if I don't, if I decide I really only have room for one, I could use the accessories to change it up a little. And also with my other things. And this is an elastic pearl belt. And all this stuff came from Shein, by the way. I do shop other places, I swear, but a lot of this stuff comes from Shein. And cute little, they were calling it a butterfly. Honestly, it looks more like a bow to me, but that's okay. That's pretty. And last, although definitely not least, we have, for a slightly more casual idea, cute little peachy pink heart locket. And that's also seems to be a good color to go with this. Let me just show you as I keep going off screen and going, oh, no, they can't see that. But there you go. You can see this, and I think it looks great. So that's it for right now. I'm going to put up, my shopping info. This was not expensive. I think it was maybe around $30, maybe a little more, including the hair. I'll give you a rough total along with that. But that is and I paid for all of this, by the way. I don't have any promos or anything like that going on. No sponsors. Yeah. So have all of this stuff ready to go. I'm not going to do a full wear through right now because one thing that needs to be pressed. So keep watching this channel because in a couple of weeks I will have some cruise ship footage of me in that outfit up. And I'm going to post some more from the cruise too. And this isn't really a travel channel, but I like to travel. And I like different contexts, different things like that. We're definitely going to wear our Regency outfit. And I will show you my Regency outfit and some of my other historically inspired cruise wear. Thank you so much for watching. As always, appreciate it very much. And please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content.